Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. Um, we've got enough parts for the swap here. I got my bell housing, I got my flywheel. Um, we're gonna lift this motor off of the stand with this special engine hoist tool here. We're gonna strap it on there and get this thing off of the stand. And got a bunch of wood crates down here. We're gonna drop it on there, and we're gonna start putting the flywheel on, and we're gonna put the bell housing on it, and we got a dial indicator around here somewhere, and we're gonna try to indicate the center hole on the bell housing, and hopefully we're close enough, because otherwise we'd have to get some offset um, what do you call these guys here, locating pins, which we don't have. It'll probably be a week before we get some, so hopefully it's close. But we're gonna give it a shot. So I got to strap this onto the motor mount, and let's get to that. All right. Should we go down low? Does it matter? Doesn't matter, probably, right? Looks like the battery's dead. Try this one. There we go. All right, that's one. So for you guys that are thinking that this is not, there's no way that this is going to work, you can actually lift your whole car up from a shoulder belt. All right. So we got an engine hoist over there, but we're going to use this because it's right here. There we go. But if we center this, that would probably be better. Okay, we're off. Get these bolts here out. That was a nice 16th, I believe. Don't want to lose these special adapters. How's it looking there, Sean? We can pop the filter off if it gets in the way. I think we're good. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's table. That's good. Okay. All right, so now let's get this flywheel on here. Oh, we gotta get the we gotta put the input shaft bushing in here because this was an automatic motor. So I think this collar's got to come out of here, but let's get the new bearing out. We'll see what we got to do here. I think this has to come out. 4 years now. So this is a flywheel. I wonder if they would have put the bushing in that box. I'm not sure. There's training mounts. Bell housing. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. It's all bell housing stuff. I don't see a bushing in there though. Oh, here we go. Yep. All right. Okay. All right. So that does have to come out of there. We can get that out of there. Any ideas? No. There's nowhere to keep. There's nowhere to put a jaw in there either. No. So I think what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do?
Let's look at YouTube.
So I'm thinking get a washer that fits in that hole. Put a nut on the back side of it with the long screw. All right, so I'm welding this washer and well, 2 washers here actually, and nut to I'm welding this stuff here together. And then we're gonna stick it in here and tack it in here, and this bracket just drive the bolt in and pull that thing out in one piece without making a mess. Turn the gas on. It's on. We call that good. And we'll let it cool off a second. And then we'll just tack it right there. And we're gonna need a longer bolt, I guess. Put more threads on it. I think it's gonna bottom out. Maybe not. Maybe not. That's good enough. All right. We'll run that baby in there. It should walk right out. Especially now with a little heat on it. Yeah. Get this out of the way before I break it. You have to move it all.
I've been watching this, so I thought
Well, it's got to come out.
yeah.
Got to come out.
I'll do both there. Pack it back up there and try to do both. Gotta come out of there.
Yeah, it should. It'll come out easier if it does come out evenly. Yeah, it didn't move at all. Yeah. So our last attempt failed miserably. So I'm sure there's a reason I shouldn't be doing this, like I'm doing it, but what we got. Yeah. That would have helped if I welded in there straight. Just like butter. No, that's perfect. Okay. Let me blow that out a little bit. This is our special tool here. Our pilot bearing removal deal. Yeah. Just gotta go in here like this. We'll put a little grease on it. I'll find a socket that fits it. And we'll put a couple shots. This way. Right all. A special pilot shaft pushing installed tool. Alright, it's bottomed out. Sounds like it. Yep. Okay. Okay. See, if that was in place now and you had an old input shaft, you could fill it up with grease, just pound the input shaft in and would push it right out. Well, that was easy. Here's another look at our special tool there. Don't look at the welds. But it was effective.